Washington. Good evening, Mr. Lincoln. I am told that you carried the Union through its darkest storm. Tell me, what tested this nation more, foreign chains or division within? Lincoln. General Washington, the chains from abroad threatened our liberty, but division from within threatened our very soul. You fought to create a nation. I fought to preserve it. Washington. When we declared independence, we risked everything, our fortunes, our lives, our sacred honor. Freedom to us was the right to govern ourselves. Was that freedom incomplete? Lincoln. It was a noble beginning, sir, but a house divided against itself cannot stand. A nation conceived in liberty must ensure that liberty belongs to all, not merely to some. Washington. You speak of slavery. Lincoln. Yes, the contradiction was clear. How could a republic built on equality allow bondage? The Civil War was not merely about territory, it was about the meaning of freedom. Washington. In my time, unity was fragile. The states were wary of centralized power. We feared tyranny more than disorder. Did the preservation of the Union require stronger authority? Lincoln. At times, yes. Leadership demands difficult choices. To save the Union, I had to stretch the limits of executive power. Yet I believed the Constitution was not a suicide pact. It must endure through crisis. Washington. Power is a dangerous instrument. That is why I stepped down after 2 terms. A republic must never depend on one man. Lincoln, your example guided us. Peaceful transfer of power is the backbone of democracy. But sometimes preserving that system requires sacrifice, blood, tears, and resolve. Washington. Then tell me, Mr. Lincoln, what is the greatest threat to the Republic? Lincoln. Indifference. When citizens forget the cost of freedom, they risk losing it. Democracy survives not by memory alone, but by participation. Washington. Wise words. In my farewell address, I warned against factionalism and blind party loyalty. Unity must rise above personal ambition. Lincoln. And yet, disagreement is natural in a free society. The challenge is to debate without destroying the bonds that hold us together. Washington. So the Republic is an experiment, ever unfinished. Lincoln. Indeed, each generation must decide whether it shall advance the cause of liberty or retreat from it. Washington. Then perhaps freedom is not a destination but a discipline. Lincoln. And equality is not a gift but a responsibility. Washington. May future generations remember that liberty requires virtue. Lincoln. And that government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. Washington. Then the experiment continues. Lincoln. Yes, General, it always does.